Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
I'm Carmen.
Do you have healthy habits?
Yes, I do.
Can you tell me more about it?
Sure.
Do you eat junk food?
No, I don't. It tastes good, but it's not good for you.
Do you exercise every day?
No, I don't. I exercise only on weekends. Also, I'm on a diet now because I'm trying to lose 10 kilos. I weigh 80 kilos and I want to be 70.
Do you eat fruit and vegetables every day?
Yes, I do. I always have fruit for breakfast and a salad for lunch.
Do you drink water?
Yes, I do. I drink 6 glasses of water every day.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't. I think it's not good for you.
Do you sleep for 8 hours a day?
No, I don't, but I want to change that.
Hey, in general, I think you have a healthy lifestyle. Thank you very much, Carmen.
You're welcome.
Use the simple present to talk about likes, facts, habits, and schedules.